Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to buy Bitcoin on your Paybis app, tap open your Paybis application first. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet. To do that, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner and tap on login on the next page. Enter your email address and log in with the code sent to your email, or you can also type in your password along with your email address and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Paybis account, tap on the buy button from the main home page. On the next page, go ahead and select your fiat currency from the drop down at the top. You can also select your payment method by choosing from the left hand side and select your fiat currency from the right hand side of the screen. Once you do that, go to the next field and select Bitcoin from the options, since we are trying to buy some Bitcoin in today's video. Now, in the first text box, type in the amount of USD you are willing to spend. The number of Bitcoin you'll be receiving will be displayed on the next field where it says you receive. Finally, tap on Buy Bitcoin button beneath and confirm your transaction on the next page. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Paybis. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.